Perfect for a poo. Good morning everybody, Richard here and welcome to another video. This is a great day. It is camping eve. Tomorrow we go on our first camping trip for 2020. Since the lockdown began, we've been itching to get away and we've not been able to. So we are going to spend today packing up the camper van and getting ready for an early start tomorrow. So let's go! Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is going to drain the water because the water's been in there for a while and I think it wouldn't hurt to change the water. We don't have to, but we are going to park it over a drain so that it doesn't flood the road. Let's set it up. Got it back far enough. That should do it.
Daddy, why are you doing with a video camera?
I'm videoing stuff.
Why?
Because I want to.
Oh, I get it. Not really. Yeah, we won't have any gas, won't we?
Yeah, but this is for the water.
I can put gas in. No, don't.
Okay, we've emptied the water. We're going to go and check that that's finished draining, and then we're going to back the camper van onto the drive, and we are going to start loading up the stuff from the garage. So we will do that first. Let's crack on.
I said to the camera. All right, we're going to get ready tomorrow.
Yeah. You going to jump in?
Yeah.
First thing we're going to do, slide this seat forward, give ourselves loads more boot space. That should do it. It's been a while since we used it. Perfect for a poo.
Firewood.
That's the van packed up. Well, that's the back of the van anyway. Let's do the inside now, but we won't bore you with that. Okay, so we've done pretty much inside and outside the camper van now. We are going to do the bedding stuff. One thing that I've got to do, and I've been meaning to do this, is just to keep stuff in the van that isn't too heavy, but that we can go away on a whim, so we don't have to keep unloading, loading, unloading, loading. So that is the the next job to do, so we don't have to keep taking stuff out, putting stuff on. So anything that we can keep on the van that's pretty light, not food stuffs obviously, unless it's tinned or can last a long time. But we're definitely gonna have to sort that out. So anyway, bedding time now. Let's do it. So this is the good thing about having seats that can slide forward. We have got most of our camping stuff underneath the rear shelf, and we've been able to move the seat forward, so we've still got all this space which we don't need. And inside still enough space for Max. So that's most of the camper van packed up now. Done all the camping stuff, done the bedding, done most of the food. Gonna put the bikes on in the morning. Camera stuff will come in with us in the morning as well. Things are in the fridge is on. And the beers are chilling already, so when we get there tomorrow we'll be able to have a cold one. And I've just got to do clothes now. So I'm going to go inside and do that now, and we'll get that packed up in the van, probably just on a back seat for now, and put it in the wardrobe tomorrow, I think, when we get there. But that's it. So far so good. A little bit more to do, and that won't take long at all. So can't wait now. Looking forward to tomorrow. So cool, that's it. We're all packed up. The only thing left to go in the van is toiletries, which we'll do tomorrow, and the bikes. Clothes is in, the camping stuff's in, the awning's in, cooking stuff's in, food's in. We're ready to go. We can't wait. It's going to be brilliant. Tomorrow is our first day, 4th of July, Independence Day. We are going to smash this camping trip, and we're going to have a wicked time. It's going to be brilliant. I cannot wait to hit the road tomorrow morning. I am going to be laden with cameras and batteries. I'm going to start recording, and hopefully over the next few days we'll put some videos out there of what the situation is at the campsites. I'm going to try and capture what we're doing, some of what we're doing, but a lot of what the campsite are doing in terms of the measures for COVID. Just see how different it is, really. We all enjoyed the freedom. Let's see what the difference is now. So thanks for making it this far. It's just a short, quick video. Leave any comments if you've got any questions. Please subscribe. You can tap on tap here somewhere, click here somewhere to subscribe, and we will have fun this weekend, and we shall see you in the next video. So see you later.